flood, you can't live it twice. Okanye ithinze okwesimkhathi xa sibona kunzima. Always isikhala ngebhadi, sesiqala ukuxhomekeka so that's why sihlupheka. Ezweni kunzima nokuqaleka isizwe sundu siyaqhekeka budlobongela buyaqhubeka izimilo zabantwana zadwebeka. Namajita yamithisa after the peak wabantwana. So kulapho uvuka ingqabana uthathathi kuyohlukwana abantwana bakhuliswa ngokugqoka isikhulu ezingazimintsana. After so many years, xopha inyane evuka inqala cause ubomi esiphilayo bufana nje nencindi ekhala. That's why xa bebodwa ubona inyembe ziphalayo omnyeke ezingaboni cause embuhluphekile mother have to hustle on the street ukuze umntwana lale kill do all those things cause kufuneka efundile even naseklasini usifisha yedwa hlala ekoneni njengegusa emnyama edla yodwa emadlelweni imebe nzima uyichaza cause ehlekwa nasesikolweni to win without the fun is not so easy at all even wesixa umthetho just to wake up and fall ungamazi ngethilizwi engashayini ekhona every time I go around I don't see any changes except poverty and the black clock accompanying the pages if you struggle don't give up I've been through to those stages Udlala ebusweni kude kunqaba umoya xa bebona esatweni basenze ngcono kulawe kukuphuma ensokolweni kuba behlala esamendeni wena usahlala etyotyombyeni God has a plan ubube lapha emhlabeni no one must touch you noba sonxiba kapep kuba bona bephucukile ngokubajonga njengescript bahlekisa ngawo nasesitratweni kumama khoselitep Please don't go down, noma bazali behlala bexabanye ingosho donation yabanye emakhaya kuyafana ehlobo siphila ngalo ingathela usathana namakhaya iyaqhekeka ngokukufa kuthatha indawo winishisa come and go nosathana ume ngenyawo bamelwana basavali oyintoni nabawo noluthando alisekhunde phambili lemali nasesitratweni asonwabanga loluthando uphathe isikhale nxa yemeko zamakhaya abanye bade bashiyilana ulukane sibathalayo nxa yezinto zomhlaba nxa inhlungu zalo mhlaba hlale sibika amahlaba lubuthani basibulalana sikuxa siphaqulana ngesabonwa nabantwana izithuko sidonela bamelwane bengavale esitratweni benyemana bengafuna ukuxolelana asatheni ngokubulisana kiyo zibenini apha emhlabeni esinyathelana